Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Samsung washer is showing you the 4E or 4C error code, it means that the machine is not filling with water properly. So in today's video, I will show you the exact causes and the correct way to fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to start with the water source. Just make sure that the tap connected to the washer is fully open. Now you need to also test the pressure by disconnecting the hose and letting the water flow into the bucket. If the flow is weak or inconsistent, that alone can trigger this particular error. Now you need to also take a look at the inlet hose behind the washer carefully. Check for bends, twists or flattening. Even a partially blocked hose restricts the water entry and it will also confuse the sensor. So you need to straighten it completely and ensure that the water can pass freely. Now inside the hose connection there would be a small filter screen. So this is one of the most common causes of the 4E or the 4C errors. So you need to remove that hose and then you need to basically take that out the filter and wash it under the running water. If it is clogged with dirt or scale, water cannot enter the washer properly. Now you need to also open the detergent drawer and inspect inside. Sometimes detergent residue hardens and blocks the water flow. So you need to clean the drawer and channel where the water passes through. Now your washers need consistent pressure to operate. If your home has low pressure, especially during certain hours, the washer may fail to fill or show this type of error. So if none of the methods are working for you, you have tried everything, then in the last you can just simply do a quick reset, and this is going to basically help clear the errors and allow the system to recalibrate. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.